Welcome. Now recording of a Glossybox. Ooh, look at that gleam. Look at that shine. Look at that box. You get 5 full-size items, I'm pretty sure, and it's $21 every month. So join in. If you want one, click the link below. It's 20% off, so that's always a good time. Ooh, first things first. Look at this. They gave me a little wine card, a little wine voucher. Gonna focus on that? Yes, look at that. They know me so well, and they don't know me at all. Look at this. Cheers to Glossybox. And then they have a little pamphlet, like a whole slew of everything they got. Can you see it? Can you see it? Do you love it? Do you want it? Well, I'm gonna play with it, so we'll see. I have already washed my face. Yes, yes. So fresh and so clean, as always. It's a Radiance mask. It's inspired by rituals of the ancient Greeks. Oh, just call me Aphrodite. So it's from Copper and Crane. Yeah. It's $45. That's a lot for a mask. I'm gonna feel so radiant after I'm done. It's soothing, transformative, with a white whorehound. What the heck is a whorehound? Whorehound extract. I don't know. I'm gonna stop at the whorehound because that's a little. What? Alright. Ooh, look at this. This is so fancy. Ooh. So I'm gonna try and splash it onto my fingers. So these are my fingers. I know. This is a splash. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is a lot. Woohoo. Okay. So that's what it looks like. It is definitely the color of copper. Yes. Can we say that? I'm gonna just rub it and spread it. Oh Lord. Oh my word. Okay, so this dries really fast. Okay. Yeah. So I am trying to go as fast as I can because it clearly dries a lot faster than I anticipated. I'm like putting it on and it's like dried. Ooh. Look at me, I'm so coppery. Copper and Crane? Check. $45? Nope. I'm just gonna let it set for 15 minutes is what they called for. And by the end of the 15 minutes, this beautiful copper penny should become a shiny dime. Yay! No, I guess I don't match up to a copper penny. I thought I would. It rubs on cute. Dries up pretty nasty, so yeah. Alright, so we're doing the countdown. We are at done. Let's peel this bad boy off. Oh wow. I look like the Phantom of the Opera. Yeah, it doesn't hurt, which is good. So this is the primer. Pop that on. Look all primery. And now we're moving on to foundation. So, Easie's foundation going on next. Cover my nose up because, you know, nobody likes a weird looking nose. Alright. And we just blend it in and make it look extra sexy. Of all the I done lost my concealer. I don't even know where, how, what, wherefore, how it happened. But it's gone. So, I'm gonna have to move on to the days before I discovered concealer. Luna by Luna. It came in the box. So we're just going to try this without concealer. It is $22. Get out of here. This is $22? No way. Is this $22? This is $22. That is crazy. And just, oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Luna, you are crazy. Hey! You're trying to make me white? What the hell is this? Oh, no. Oh, my word. Oh, my word. I think I just messed this up. There is no way anyone... I'm gonna have to brush this shit off. What is this? Oh, I look crazy. Oh, I look crazy. Okay. You know the worst part about it? This happened. Yeah, Luna by Luna. You suck. So the puff is not worth anything for $22, FYI. What is this? All right, I'm gonna... And there's powder everywhere. Look at this. Look at this. I would show you my boobs. Look at that. Can you see? Powder. Powder. Okay. Luna by Luna ain't worth shit. It definitely is not worth $22. Let's try and brush this shit off. Oh, Lord. Make me look white and shit. Oh. Oh. I mean, oh, Lord. Oh. I'm running into issues here. So this show, if you watched my last video, I bought a brush set for like 12 bucks on Amazon. And there's a reason it was 12 bucks on Amazon, if you haven't gathered. Yeah, you see? This is not supposed to happen with real brushes. But you know what? There's a reason I bought it for $12, because girl's poor. I can't be spending $130 on brushes when I barely know how to do makeup. So, this is what's happening. I'm stuck with what I'm stuck with. I'll probably use some super glue and lock that shit in. Ugh. Whew. Oh, Lord. I look really crazy. I look really white. So I'm going to put my foundation brush back in the mix, just so I'm not looking like a freaking ghost. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I literally just had it. Just found my damn concealer. I'm going to attempt to conceal. So, I found the concealer after I put the setting powder on. So, I'm just gonna brush this in, lighten up all the shit that, well, yeah, don't look ashy. Ooh, Lord. Well, I don't look ashy, which is good. I mean, I definitely look a lot brighter. Ooh, missed a spot. I look a lot brighter, so I'm going to have to powder it in again. Damn it. Alright, I'm going to try and do as little as possible this time. Okay, that's as far as I'm going to go with that. Luna by Luna, I am not feeling you at all. Because this one, Luna by Luna, $22. This e.l.f. $6. What? Are you serious right now? And this is bigger. Look, this and this. And these. No. Okay? I'm not spending $22 when I can get the same thing for $6. And it works the same, as far as I know. Alright, so Luna is a no for me. Thank you very much. No for Luna. Thank you, Glossybox. You can send that shit back. Thanks. Alright, let's brush this off. And then you gotta do the eyes and make them look pretty. So there was no eyeshadow in this mix, so I'm just gonna use what I usually use. My Old Faithfuls that get the job done. Don't look at me while I do this, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on makeup. We are on the Luxury Lipstick. Jafra. Can I see it? Can you see it? Giving you soft, supple lips. Ah, shit. My lips are not soft or supple. Damn, New York. Hopefully it's not pink. Ooh, I like this. Jafra, you're just nice and golden and just fun. Let's see what the color looks like. Ooh. So that's the color. It's looking a little pinkish. What is with the pink? Hello, Ipsy was pink. This is kind of pink. How about some brown, okay? Not everyone's white. I know. I know. My lips look like, you know, like broken. Oh. Ew. Where the f is my... Oh, you know what? I need a lip liner for this. This is not a good look. Lip liner to the rescue because these does not look good. Alright, don't look. A little better, but still, like, bro, my lips are not pink. Not even a little bit. Okay, this is not looking good. I don't like it. I don't like it. Alright, Jafra, I am not a fan. It is way too pink for me. Like, for white chicks, probably. Like, light-skinned chicks? Yeah, but me? Nah, son. Nah. What is this? You got me all looking like a weirdo. Oh, especially with the blue eyeshadow. I look a crazy. But you know what? We're going to keep going. Because we still have the Becca lip gloss. Look at that case. It looks phenomenal. But let's dig into Becca and see how that's going. I don't know if you can see this, but this is awfully pink. Oh Lord. Oh no. Oh no. It smells good. Oh, actually, you made my lips a little less shitty looking. Oh, damn, though. I don't know about this pink. Oh, oh, it matches my tongue. Oh, no. Now, if you match my tongue, there is an issue right there. Thanks. All right, let's see if I can save this with some more lip liner. Nope, no saving this. I mean, Jafra is not bad. The lip gloss, Becca definitely saved the day, but I am not a fan of this pink, like... Although my lips look great on camera, I gotta say. But I'm still not a fan. In real life, no. And it is Kaleido Astrolight Highlighter in Electric. Ooh. It is $17. These people are ridiculous. This is $17? $17? Let's pop this out though. See how it goes. Ooh. This kind of looks like the lip gloss. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that. It's like a goldy shimmer. Alright, but I'm still gonna try it. I'm gonna try setting spray first. And I didn't do it in my last video because I forgot. So I'm gonna use Kat Von D Locket. Alright, so this is Kaleido Cosmetics. Ooh. We're just gonna keep going with what we're been doing. Okay. it looks like the one I used for Ipsy. Okay, let's do some tribal marks here. Ooh. Oh, wow. That is intense. That is an intense highlighter. I don't think you're supposed to go like that. I think it's supposed to be really lightly done. But, you know, I like to go extra. So, that is the highlighter. Yes, yes, yes. So, I'm going to attempt doing it with a brush this time. Because last time, we're still on Kaleido. Last time I tried, it just kind of smooshed. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Maybe I should have stopped at 1. This is a lot. Oh, okay. Well, you can definitely see the highlighter. I think I went a little overboard on this one. Okay. Yeah. So it was a cute look until oh, you telling me this thing dried down? Oh no, dude, don't do that. Why would you do that? I feel like my mom's gonna walk in and be like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh shit. Oh, there's a highlighter. Can you see it? You can't see it. Oh, maybe you could see it from space. That's why it's called Astrolight. Oh yeah, you can see this bad boy. Oh my god. Wow. That is a lot of ashiness. Holy shit. Yeah, so I think I'm done. Yes, so thanks for watching this video and watching the crazy that is me. I appreciate you stopping by. I bid you adieu. If you don't come back, girl, I do not blame you. This is just, what is this? What is this?